The Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team is getting very good at ignoring the fact that Treat got blasted on launch. They're getting very good at trying to stay relevant, and now Lucie has predicted that Shiba Inu coin is going to do well over the coming days and months and years and future here. And we're going to be going over this prediction in the video. It's always fun to see people optimistic about SHIB, especially when they market for SHIB, right? So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, the Shiba Inu coin team is predicting a timeline for new historic movement on Shiba Inu coin. And I will say this, right? They're the ecosystem team, but I can't call them the SHIB team. They did not develop Shiba Inu coin. They do not build for Shiba Inu coin. They simply build around it. So the ecosystem team is what I will be referring to them as. And we're going to go over some very optimistic timelines as altcoin season hasn't even happened yet. Now this I actually agree with. If we look at the overall prices of cryptocurrencies, including Shiba Inu coin, SHIB is down around a support level of 2,000 points per coin. Now, this is not indicative of an altcoin season. Bitcoin hitting all-time highs, touching 105,000 today. It was at 110,000 a couple days ago on the inauguration. I believe it was Monday. Came back down to 100,000, trying to make its way back up, and I believe that Bitcoin will hit new all-time highs and move higher. See, the thing that we're not really witnessing yet, though, is an altcoin explosion. Solana doing very well, hitting about 290, maybe 295, as Trump's token was soaring in value. People needed to buy Solana to buy that token. Ethereum, not hitting all-time highs. XRP is up there. So you've got a few altcoins that are doing very well, but this is not altcoin season. Touching an all-time high does not represent the level of greed, the level of emotion that starts to brew up during an altcoin season. So I agree with this part of the article. We're not there yet. We still got a long way to go before we're sitting at altcoin and meme coin season. It says, although the prices of various altcoins like XRP reached greater heights in this rally so far, Shiba Inu coin's marketing lead still thinks that the market has not yet experienced an altcoin season. This is probably the first thing that I agree with Lucie on ever that she has said. Ever. As alt season happens when the prices of multiple altcoins skyrocket tremendously, outperforming Bitcoin's growth rate. This phase usually comes after Bitcoin experiences an explosive run, as investors tend to allocate some of their Bitcoin gains to other alternative cryptocurrencies, driving their prices to unprecedented levels. In a tweet yesterday, which none of us probably would have seen because all of us are blocked from her X account, Lucie said she is bullish because she believes the highly anticipated alt season has not yet occurred. This reflects her confidence in the potential for altcoins like Shiba Inu coin to witness substantial gains in the future. Now, timeline for this historic moment. It says the marketing lead noted that the next 4 years will be interesting. Yeah, interesting. That's what it's going to be. Hinting at significant developments within this period. Lucie suggested investors could witness another historic moment over the next 4 years. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I do believe we're going to hit a bull market peak, and I believe we're going to hit a very, very big pullback. Will we see prices as low as we saw in the previous bull market, or bear market? I do not expect to see that, right? I think we're going to set up a new foundation, but I do think we're going to see an explosive FOMO rally. And then emotional investors will fade, and the price will fade once again. So I actually don't think it's going to be nothing but gains over the next 4 years. I think essentially we run up. We see the bull market peak like we have on that 4-year cycle. We pull back. We don't pull back as far as we have before, but then it steadies out to some nice gains because the overall cryptocurrency market is set to grow tremendously on this new administration, the new policies, and all of that. But you got to deal with the emotions, right? It says, although she did not provide specifics, she never does. The context of her X post indicates that altcoins like SHIB could experience significant price surges in this upcoming alt season. One of the biggest alt seasons took place in the 2020-2021 bull market cycle. Interestingly, Shiba Inu coin, which launched within this period, emerged among the biggest gainers. Its price spiked by over 153 million%, soaring from its initial launch price of way too many zeros and a 5.6 on August 1st to an all-time high of 4 zeros and an 8.616 on October 28th, 2021. Now, it bears mentioning that this surge was driven by several notable events, including SHIB's Tier 1 listing on Tier 1 exchanges and Ethereum co-founder of Vitalik's burn of 410 trillion tokens. Nevertheless, the record constitutes a major part of SHIB's history. Several investors expect SHIB to replicate this performance. No, it's not gonna. I mean, it's not gonna replicate that performance. It could go back up to an all-time high, absolutely, but not in terms of 153 million% gain. So experts are setting ambitious targets for SHIB's altcoin season. Says top market observer Alan Santana expects SHIB to hit a new all-time high of 23,000 points per coin this season, marking roughly a 10x increase from the current level of 2,000 points per coin. Additionally, renowned crypto expert Davey Satoshi predicted that SHIB could surpass that Santana's all-time high and reach 67,000 points, a 3,000% increase. Look, guys, I don't know, right? I really don't know what the price is going to go to. Here's what I do know, okay? I know that there are more people flowing in now than we have seen at any time over the last 3 years. 36 in terms of how to buy crypto out on Google Trends. This means that we're roughly 36% of its all-time high search volume, which occurred in, I believe, May of 2021 here. The last time we were at 36 was right before the explosion in November, October-November, that took Shiba Inu coin to an all-time high. A lot of new investors pouring in. These guys may get emotional, right? They may buy. FOMO buying could be right on the brink. If you're looking at what they're buying, meme coin search volume. Guys, overall cryptocurrency search volume is still relatively low, which means we got a lot of potential ahead of us, but it's still relatively low. Meme coin search volume is exploding. People aren't necessarily here to invest, okay? And if you are, you could go some layer ones, you could go some very well thought out projects, but a lot of people are here to take a chance, to take a risk. Life-changing money, life-changing gains. And you don't get that by going out and buying Bitcoin at $1 trillion levels in a short period of time. Now, I still do think that Bitcoin could double, triple, quadruple, maybe even quintuple over the next few decades, right? We could be seeing $500,000, $1 million Bitcoin at some point, but it's not going to happen overnight. What does happen overnight is major gains in Trump and Melania. Brand new meme coins are the next shiny thing. Shiba Inu coin could wake up to a 100% rally. You're talking about these tiny little meme coins like Wall Street Pepe. Guys, $2 million in the last 24 hours. Demand is picking up like crazy here, and this is the fastest selling ICO of all time. Now, because of that, I believe that there is opportunity on every horizon. All we have to do is take advantage of it. Does that mean go out and only buy Wall Street Pepe? I mean, if you want, but that's not my plan. My plan is to diversify into as much as I possibly can. A couple of the things that I'm doing. I am buying. I bought heavily into Wall Street Pepe here. I've got the Trump and Melania meme coins. I'm holding a lot of this cryptocurrency on Best Wallet. If you guys haven't seen Best Wallet, make sure to check it out down in the pinned comment, and the description below. It's an excellent place where you guys got a cryptocurrency launchpad. You can see all of the brand new ICOs coming out, and you can see them on stage 1. It's also an excellent place to hold your cryptocurrency safely, securely, and freely, so that it belongs to you instead of a centralized exchange. So make sure to use that link down in the description below to download Best Wallet. It is free. It's available on, Android, the Google Play Store, and the Apple App Store. And of course, let me know what you guys are diversifying into. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.